Hey guys, welcome to Planning with Crystal. So I've got a new order here from Erin Condren, including some of the new goodies that they have just released. So I wanted to do another unboxing and show you what we have got here. So let's do it one by one. I got 2 packets of the new screen cleansing towelettes by Well Kept, but designed for Erin Condren. So they've got the really cute mid-century circles design on there. I'm pretty sure I paid, I think there was $6 for one, or both of them for $10. And you can use them to wipe your glasses, your devices, or the dashboards, or things like that inside your Erin Condren planner. So they're pretty cute. I got some of the new sticker sets. I think these were around about $7 each, or they did like bundle versions, but I didn't get any of the bundles this time. So let's have a look and see what we have inside here. Just know every time they bring out stickers that I need to buy some. So you get 3 sheets. So I've got this sheet to start with, and then this one, and they're all metallic-y, super cute, and then you've got this sheet of letters, which I think out of all of them, I'm always least excited about the letters. I prefer all the little kind of icons and pictures and stuff personally. This one is the functional flags. Get these out of here. I will have underneath this video a little list of all the items and how much they all cost, and also a link to the Erin Condren website if you want to get any of these for yourself. And as well, if you've never placed an Erin Condren order before, if you use the link posted underneath the video to set up your account, they'll send you a code that you can use for $10 off your first order, so you save a little bit more cash that way too. And then I've got another pack of these stickers that they do. I've shown these in another video, but not this particular design. And these are quite a new recent thing they've started doing. These are, I think, around about $3, and they fit really well at the top of the page on the Erin Condren Life Planner, or on the monthly view as well. And this is the gift guide thing, which I have done a walkthrough of this before. This was on a special offer for Black Friday where I got this for free when I spent $60, but you can still buy this. I think it's around about $22, and there's a walkthrough in another video that I did about this that shows all of the inside, and I'll link that video underneath this video if you want to see that in more detail, just so I'm not going through the exact same thing again. I've got the pajamas as well, which I'll be showing you in a second. So this is the 2017 tabletop calendar. I have the 2016 version of this too. Again, that'll be in another video if you wanted to see what they did last year. Let me see if I can get this out and then I can show it to you. Okay, no, so it's kind of stuck in there. Let me see if I can get in here. Last year, I think it was around about $17, slightly more than this year anyway. This year it's just $12, which I think is a really reasonable price. So it comes with this little acrylic stand there that says Erin Condren in gold, if you can see that. And then every month you've got like a postcard, a sized card that you can put in like that, or it's perforated down the middle, so you could just put it like that and kind of, you know, break off that side. Last year they did just like a postcard that you could send to people. I mean, you could send this as a postcard as well, I guess, or you can use it in maybe some kind of a crafty project. So obviously there is one for every month of the year. Let's do a quick flip through here, and they're all metallic and they're really pretty. Oh, that's got a little bit of a black smudge on there. It's a shame. But yes, they look really nice, these calendars, I imagine, on a desk. I certainly enjoyed this year's, although this year, the 2016 version, had quotes every month, which I quite enjoyed. Obviously, there's no quotes on this one, but it's a little bit sleeker, I'd say, and the design is better. Last year's was more of almost like an opening cassette design, and it broke quite quickly. Whereas this one, I think, hopefully, stand up to a year's worth of use. I always think this would make such a cute gift for somebody. Maybe I'll get one as a gift too. So yeah, that's that. Mind that one out of the way now. And then we're getting to the last item I've got in this order. Move this box out of the way. And this is the new pajamas. The first kind of pajama wear that they've brought out, Erin Condren. And it's a brand I'm not familiar with. As I'm in the UK, it's not a brand that we actually have over here. But I have had a look at this brand online, and it is seems to be quite a popular pajama brand in the US. Just mind this out of the way. So they come in all different sizes. This is the smallest one they do, extra small, and it still looks fairly big to me. It's quite stretchy as well, this material. So it's in this kind of blossom design. There is only this one fabric option that they're doing at the minute. Hopefully they'll bring out some more designs if they prove to be quite popular. I think these are about $40, and they're a really, really kind of stretchy fabric. And they've got this pink piping design on the arms. They are a button down design, and you can see all the buttons all the way down there, and also that pink piping again. Quite soft. It says there, made exclusively for Erin Condren, and the tag here is BHPJs, bedhead pajamas. So it will be interesting to see how they wash and how they wear. But I'm quite excited to own some Erin Condren pajamas. They also do a short version of them too, but I think I prefer the long ones, particularly when it's cold. And they're quite stretchy and elasticated too. Like I said, they look quite big for an extra small, and that's the smallest size I think they do. So, or maybe not, maybe they do extra small. I'm not 100% on that one. But I don't know, looking at them, I'm thinking maybe size down on pajamas if you want to order some. I'm not sure, just because they're so stretchy, and there's that piping again. So, let me see, what are they actually made out of? I'm going to say some kind of viscose or something. Ooh, spare button. Oh, polyester actually, yes. Polyester and, oh, there's not the camera there, and spandex. And these are the washing instructions. So that is the end of this video anyway. If you like Erin Condren videos, check out some of my other ones, because I've done a few of their unboxings. I particularly enjoy their products. And like I said, there'll be a link underneath to sign up for an account if you want $10 off your first order. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye now.